It's got a little railroad track anvil.
今天是没有水在这样。
啊，
今天是没有停水了。
哦，有停水了，对，我知道了。对，我家里也停水了。对啊，很糟糕了。会停多久也不晓得。
10点就会来。
哎，
晚上10点。
He's got his. This is a really interesting wheel he's got here. We're just talking about because we had a typhoon yesterday, so right now the water is off, so for him and for us, but so he's got water in a bucket here, dripping that onto his wheel. See in his shop here, he sells knives. He's got a nice grinder there. Look at this thing. Like a traditional Chinese cleaver. Like some of these knives have been in here for a little while. It's got some nice etching on it, that one. Kind of hard to see. This one that Damascus. I don't know if you can see that. This guy here, he sells knives and he grinds knives and sharpens them. And you see this wheel he's using? He says he's been here since 1967, and that wheel's been with him here since 1967. The bottom, he just said, is more coarse, and then the top is for fine grinding and for polishing. That's really special. You can see he's got a bucket that drips water down onto it. This guy really knows his stuff as far as knives. You can see he also sells some farm implements here. Taipei has a lot of small shops like this that are really, really interesting. Let me step away here. You can see he's in such a small space here. I can't even get in the road to show you the name of his shop. He's got a nice big grinder and got a nice polishing wheel on there. Another one of those grinding wheels. He's been here longer than I've been alive. 老板，谢谢你。
客气。